Hey guys, today we will be making a super cute and adorable bow. What you will need, a lot of pretty ribbon. So I have 3 different colors and I have cut 35-inch long pieces and 2 to 3 pieces of each of these, and these are 22 inches long, and I have about 2 to 3 pieces of each of these as well. Again, depending on your color scheme and what you like, you can modify this as much as you'd like. The purple is thicker than the pink and the white. I believe the pink and white, they're about 1.5 inches, and the purple is like 2 1/4 inches wide. Alright, so 35 inches, 22 inches. These are going to be the tails, and these will be the loops. You will also need bow wire, scissors, and a bow dabra. Oh, and this bow, it works best with wire edged ribbon, but none of this ribbon is wire edged, but it works perfectly with what I'm making this bow for, so I decided to use it anyways. But just keep in mind, wire edge ribbon works best with this type of bow. Alright, let's get started. First thing we are going to do is place our bow wire down. And the amount, you just want to make sure you have enough to loop it at the end. So first thing I'm going to do is fold this in half to find the center. I'm also going to ribbon cut the end. So I just fold it in half, fold at the top, open ends at the bottom, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. And I have my center, so I'm going to open it up and scrunch it. Fold it in half, front comes up and back comes up. Just like that. And the tails, if you don't want the tails as long as this, just, take off a few inches. But I wanted the tails pretty long. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing again. Fold it in half, find the center, and ribbon cut the end. And scrunch. And you can take your wand to kind of scrunch it all together. And this is also a good time to maneuver where you need to. Now it's time to make the loops. Again, fold it. Make a crease for the center. Take the end and make sure you see this is the right side of the ribbon. This is the wrong side. You want the wrong side facing upward towards you. And loop it over. And scrunch the other side as well. Then you take your center and scrunch it. And then you will need one piece that is going to be your center. And what you're going to do, keep that one folded in half. And you're just going to scrunch. Just like that. And I'm actually just going to cut off some of that. So this piece is shorter, it's going to serve as my center. Alright, once you get as much ribbon as you'd like, you scrunch it really good, Going to take your bow wire and take the loop and put the two ends inside the loop. And I like to hold it down and pull really, really tight. Nice tug, because you don't want the bow to come loose. Then remove it. Another tug. This way as well. And I like to tie it again. I'm tying it in a knot. And I like to tie it in a knot a couple of times just for extra security. You can just cut off the excess. Or if you want to leave it on and tie it to something, you can definitely do that as well. Alright. And now it's time to shape and form your bow. Again, this is where the wire edge ribbon comes in handy. You're just going to pull and tug. Just going to cut this a little bit more. So this is what it's looking like. I made a ton of long tails because this is going to hang on top of a balloon column, which I will share the link to that video down below. So that's why my tails are so long. But again, if you want longer tails, fewer tails, completely up to you. Just modify it to fit whatever you like. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. So cute and adorable. And easy to do. Takes about 10 minutes.